friends, my name is Daphne. Today I will bake you a cake. Here is how to make the cake. Let's get started right away. Ingilizce prepare it for 8 minutes microwave cake recipe. 1/2 cup of caramel sugar. 2 cups of milk. 1 cup of oil. 4 tablespoons of cacao. 2 eggs. 1 finger less flour for 2 cups. 1 cup of baking powder. Okay. Now we mix all the ingredients in a bowl. I mixed it by hand. You can use a mixer if you want. We grease our tray before going into the oven. We pour the mixture. We prepare it onto the tray. We are waiting for it to cook in the microwave oven at 800 watts for 8 minutes. While it is cooking, I will prepare the ingredients for our cake. See you later. Bye. Now that our cake is baked, we pour the chocolate sauce we prepared earlier onto it. I will put it in the fridge to cool. I can't wait to share my cake with you tomorrow morning. Thank you for watching.